Hello all, this is Abhishek Shukla, Education Manager, Young Thinker Academy, and I welcome you all to yet another video from us. We are here at the grand event of Make in Odisha Conclave 2022, and here we can see the tight security we are in. We have just reached the event. This is the main gate. The title says Odisha New Opportunities. So that is what we have got here. We have been provided a grand platform to showcase our products. The startups, the major companies all have gathered here to showcase their own products. Let's have a tour inside the conclave and let's see what all things are there. So the event is open to all visitors and especially students. Here we can see the students gathered from a lot of colleges are registering for their entry into the conclave. So here I am at gate number 1 of the Make in Odisha Conclave 2022. There's a lot of tight security here. We are only getting the entry if we have these cards, if we have registered for the event or not. So you can see we have this exhibitor I-card, which is only we are only allowed to enter with the gate number 1. So here's the gate number 1. Let's proceed. Yeah, we got the entry and here we are at the entrance. You can see how grand it is, how large it is. It's been beautifully showcasing all the cultural traditions of Odisha, the state, and with newer opportunities for all the businessmen, all the entrepreneurs, all the startup people to showcase their products. So the very first exhibition which you see right from the gate number 1 is the DRDO's all the missiles right from the Agni series to Prithvi series and so on. You can take a look at the Agni missiles here. These are the prototypes of the Agni missiles. Agni 1, Agni 2, Agni 3, Agni 4, Agni 5, all of them are put here. We have the prototype of BrahMos missiles here. You can see the BrahMos missile. It's a collaboration between Russia and India. This is the tapioca plant. You can visibly see the caterpillars which are responsible for making a lot of variety of silks. This is a kind of variety of caterpillar here. You can see they are all eating the leaves of the tapioca plant. We have the Sun Arjun seedling here. This Tasar silkworms. Silkworms are these are the silkworms, I guess. These are the silkworm eggs. These are the eggs and these are the silkworms. This is the final thread of the silk which we find. And these are the cloth which are made out of silk. After dyeing. Tying and dyeing. So this is the machine which we use to take out the silk out of and they make a cloth out of the silk material. So what is the machine called?
इसे उड़िया में बोलते हैं बांधो टाई।
बांधो
बांधो
और फिर उसमें डाइंग
टाई का बनाते हैं।
This is grand sand art for a grand event Make in Odisha Conclave 2022. This sand art has been made by a very prominent artist, sand artist, Padma Shri awardee, Mr. Sudarshan Patnaik.